Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is December the 8th. And on these 5 trades, the pound pairs, at least, they were based on pound weakness. Now I'm using my new Trigger Zones trading system. Now I really love this Trigger Zone system, mainly because of this gold TZ indicator. I would go as far as calling it like a magic indicator, as it helps me to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. You can easily trade all 3 sessions 24 hours a day. I call that the flow of the market. Now all of these trades were taken directly from my daily trade plan. You must have a daily trade plan. And if you don't, well, just get in touch with me and I can set you up with my daily trade plan, as I only charge $100 a month for that. If you are not trading with a daily trade plan, that is one of the main reasons why you are struggling and failing as a trader. Okay, now we can get into these trades. The first one, I sold all of them actually, is the pound Swiss. Let's see where I got in at. Remember, the market's very random and a 10 or 20 pip will not hold. But my daily trade plan said it was going to go down. Took the trade at this point and I ended up closing out the trade with 12 pips. And those 12 pips on the pound Swiss paid $1,300. Moving right along to the 30-year bonds. Here's another one directly from my daily trade plan. I knew I wanted to be selling it. Remember, between about 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm creating my daily trade plan. And once I know if I want to be buying or selling, I just manually put in this arrow to remind me. And after this candle closed, I pull the trigger at this cursor. Let's see where now remember, the 30-year bonds pays $5 a pip. And I close it out being happy here with, looks like $5 a pip should be 72. Because 5 times 72. Anyhow, there's 72 pips there. Times $5. Times the 10 lots. That works out to $3,600. Remember, I just manually close out the trades most of the time when I'm basically happy. And I'm usually happy when I get 100 or more pips. And over the past couple of months now, I've been getting 200 or more pips. And just taking a quick look down here. And because of this DAX 30 right here, this is well over 200 pips for sure. Okay, we'll do a pip total at the end of the video. Moving right along to pound New Zealand. This one qualified for a great way to trade. The higher time frame was saying to sell. So that's exactly what I did. Went a little bit against me, not a big deal. Back to the goal line. And of course it bottomed out here. And it looks like got about 81 pips. And 81 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $5,575. Moving right along to the pound Aussie trade. Another one that qualified as a great way to trade. Higher time frames was saying to sell. So I sold it. Didn't even go 1 pip against me. And I closed out the trade when it bottomed out here. And of course being happy with 86 pips. and 86 pips on the pound Aussie trade paid $6,222. Now let's go to the last trade here, the DAX 30. Here we go with the DAX 30. This one also qualified for a great way to trade. The higher time frames was telling me to sell, taken directly from my daily trade plan. So let's see where I got in at. Now the market decided, as it's being very random, decided to do one more cycle. But I waited. I knew it was going to go down eventually and at least test this bottom. And that's all I was looking for. Looks like I closed it out with 268 pips. And those 268 pips paid $10,125. So another great day of trading using my trigger zone system. I just did the calculations of all the pips and the ticks, and because of the DAX, there's always a lot of pips involved there, pips and ticks. I ended up getting 519 pips, and those 519 pips paid $26,823. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my trigger zone system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write up. My trigger zone system, I do charge $250 for it. Now I teach how to trade the flow of the market. You must learn this or you'll never succeed as a trader. Now my system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Comes with 6 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. My number one way, and that's what I look for every day, it's called a great way to trade. And included within this package, there's 50 training videos as I teach all these different ways to trade the markets. The more ways you trade, the more pips you'll make, which means more money you'll make. Now you can put this video on pause and read all this information. If you have any questions, all you got to do is call me. Here's my phone number. If you live too far, simple again. Just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I do prefer Skype. If you click on this link right here, we'll have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions and show you whatever system you want to see. Give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind that I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until tomorrow and the next video, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.